Assalamu alaikum and good evening, everyone. It is minus 18 degrees right now with the wind. It's around minus 23 here in Calgary, Alberta. Today we got a lot of snow. So let me show you. It's my, this is my main door of the house. But let me, if I switch the camera. Okay, so this is the pile of snow we got. The good thing is I don't have to shovel it. Why I don't have to shovel? Because I live in a townhouse and we pay a condo fee, and shoveling the snow is included in the condo fee. But let me just take you around in the city to show you what Calgary looks like when it is a winter wonderland here. So let's go before it gets dark. So I'm not gonna go from here because if I show you, if I step foot here, look at this, how deep it is, right? So yeah, I'm not gonna go from here, so let's go from here. My neighbor's driveway, the company that is responsible for snow shoveling. And look at this. I want to cross and go there. They cleaned it up all the way, but yeah, you have to actually. I'll have to jump from this. What I was telling you, was snowing pretty much the whole night. Started snowing in the morning as well. This is what, you know, the whole kind of the sidewalk looks like. But yeah, let me take you around and show you. Let me switch the camera. Just got to Tim Hortons here. It's getting really cold. It was about 15 to 20 minutes walk. But yeah, it was getting like -24 with the wind on -35. So yeah, gonna grab the coffee. So here I am with my coffee at Tim Hortons here. So the last, I guess, 2 or 3 minutes of the walk became really cold. But yeah, I made it here. I am alive. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe as well. Until next time, Khuda Hafiz.